Earn money by typing online. If you are looking for a side job that requires less brain work, you can certainly earn money typing online. Typing is the most basic skill any person who owns a computer and even smartphone can learn. It has the simplest learning curve because the more you practice, the better your skill gets. It's just a matter of consistency. So if you think you're good at typing and enjoy doing it, this video will help you make a living out of it. If you are unsure about your typing speed, you can check it by taking an online typing test. Such jobs usually involve filling out forms, typing some documents and converting audio recordings into text. These typing jobs require you to only have a computer or smartphone with a decent internet connection. That's it. No complicated software, hardware, nothing of that sort. In this video I will show you 5 best websites that will pays you much by typing while you're at home. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. 5 best websites which offer online typing jobs. The following are 5 websites where you can get paid for your typing skills. 1. Rev. Rev is a transcription company that provides services for transcription, captioning, and foreign subtitles. Users can make money by typing captions for YouTube videos, transcribing audio files, and more. So if you are fluent in English and a fast typist, working with Rev is the best way forward. The best part about working for Rev is that there are always work opportunities enlisted there. There are literally hundreds of projects uploaded every day. So even if transcribing isn't your cup of tea, you can always opt for captioning small videos. The good news is that there's no schedule you have to follow, you can work for as little or as much as you want. Payment details. Rev pays its users through PayPal. Freelancers get paid between $10 to $20 per audio or video minute. They pay on a weekly basis. 2. 2CAPTCHA. 2CAPTCHA allows users to earn online in the most easiest way possible. The company pays its users to solve CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA solving jobs are the easiest typing jobs you can come across. The only downside is you get paid way less than other jobs. The amount of money you earn depends on how many CAPTCHAs you can solve. CAPTCHA solving work is low pay, and users usually earn about $1 to $8 per hour. It's not much, but it's good pocket money. Working on this website is quite easy. Just create your account and verify it. Once that's done, click on Start Work and the system will start showing you multiple images with text. Users will simply have to type the text on the forms provided. It's as easy as that. The best part about this job is that you don't have to have a specific time to work. There are jobs available 24 hours per week, so users can have a flexible schedule and work whenever they want to. Doesn't get better than that, does it? Payment details. 2CAPTCHA pays its users through Bitcoin, Payza, WebMoney, Perfect Money and ADV Cash. As soon as your earnings reach 50 cents you can withdraw your amount. 3. TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is an online transcription service provider that converts audio/video files into text. Users earn by typing audio files in text. So if you are looking for some part-time work, TranscribeMe provides a good opportunity to earn money on the side. To get started, you have to make a profile. Click here to register. Before starting, you have to pass an exam, to make sure you know the work. Once that's done, you can apply to transcription jobs in different categories. Remember, you have to be fluent in English to apply here. Payment details. TranscribeMe pays its users through PayPal. The pay rate is $20 per hour on average. 4. Freelancer. Freelancer.com is an ultimate freelancing portal with over 900 job categories to choose from. The online platform boasts over 30 million users. How it works is, a client creates a job with specifications and posts it on the platform. Freelancers bid on the job and the client selects the freelancer they want to give the job to. Once you get the job done, the client checks the work and pays you. Luckily for you, There are tons of online typing jobs available at Freelancer.com. All you need to do is create your freelance account and start applying for those jobs. Here are some freelance typing jobs you might want to apply for. Payment details. Freelancer pays its workers through multiple payment gateways including PayPal, Express Withdrawal, Skrill, Payoneer, and International Wire. 5. Upwork. Upwork is one of the best portals for freelancers and employers all over the world. It allows employers to connect with freelance job seekers to get their jobs done and pay a fixed or hourly amount once the job is successfully completed. Upwork allows users to search for a wide range of online jobs, including typing. There are multiple job types when it comes to typing, copy typing being one of them. Copy typing is a skill that requires users to fast type text from any source that they read from. Upwork has multiple job opportunities for such work. Employers post their copy typing projects on Upwork and freelancers can apply for those projects by bidding on them. So if you are a fast typist, this is the best place to start. Click here to browse through online typing jobs. Payment details. Upwork pays its freelancers through PayPal, Payoneer, and bank transfer. These websites provide users with the best way to benefit from their typing skills. Some of these websites also have an online typing test for selecting the best and the fastest typists. To get these online typing opportunities, you need to be proficient and fast. Hope you enjoy the video and you will starting making money from now. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.